How's it going? You got a lot to say when it's feeding time, huh?
I'll help you with that.
You can probably reach them better than me. They like to lay them under the nesting box instead of in the nesting box.
Hey, look over here.
Yeah, can you reach them? What colors we got today?
Green and orange.
Green and orange. There's some under here too. I think we got a blue one right here underneath, right there. You got it. There's a green one right there. Can you reach that green one? It's kind of camouflage. You see it?
Uh-huh. Well, these chickens are... Oh, these chickens are laying rainbows.
They're laying what?
They're laying rainbows.
They're laying some colorful ones, huh?
Yeah.
Here's old Roosty. Jonah and Sissy said they have something to show us over here. See? That one's pretty.
Folks, it was cold this morning, but I tell you what, since this morning spring tried to sprung on me, I gotta be honest with you. Now, I love cold weather. There's something special whenever you start seeing stuff starting to green up a little bit. You know, there ain't gonna be too many more weeks before we start seeing some blooms here. Spring tried to sprung. I love cold weather, but you gotta love springtime too. I think we can appreciate all the seasons.
Hamburger steaks and french fries. The original plan was for a new ground beef casserole, but I did just a small Walmart delivery order, and they left out like probably 2 bags worth, some of my produce and the cheese, and I needed cheese for that casserole. So I had to do a quick change in plans for supper. We're going with hamburger steaks and french fries. Yeah, they left out my cheese, some peppers, some chives. Oh, and also I ordered some ham and bologna for sandwiches for lunches this week. They left that out. It wasn't a whole grocery order. It was just, that's what's weird about it. It wasn't a very big order, but they just forgot some of it, I guess. I'm still walking around in circles in here, y'all, because for the past little while, everything's just been here and there and everywhere. And I can't remember where anything is. I'm about to slice up some onion here, because we'll cook those in the same pan as the hamburger steaks when they get done. Have some onions to put on top of them. I don't think I have any brown gravy packs. I might just make some brown gravy. Let's see. I've got some more beef broth. If I need to, I'll just make some. Oh, we got some. Oh yeah, you want that? I'll have hamburger steaks ready in just a little bit.
Okay. Hello.
Oh, is that a telephone?
Uh-huh. Love you.
Who is it?
Manny.
Oh, you're on the phone. Oh, I need to use my hand?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. What you been doing, Manny?
My phone is my banana.
Oh, that's nice. I like banana phones. Well, I gotta go. I'm cooking.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Then, I love you.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, and then it's mom and dad before, and it said I love you.
Yeah. Found a great surprise in this apron. Big Red. Sometimes I hide some from myself and then I get a nice little surprise when I find it.
I tell you something, Mama, you might throw on your list for making.
What?
Spicy fish sandwich.
spicy fish sandwich?
Yeah, I ate one day at KFC. That song was good.
What was spicy, the fish or a sauce on it?
Fish. You
Yeah.
brought me to go get some of their tartar sauce, so that's what makes or breaks a fish sandwich right there. Is the right tartar sauce. And Captain D's is my favorite.
Long John's is my favorite. Actually, my absolute favorite is what's that old barbecue house? I don't think it's in business anymore. I used to tell you my daddy used to drive to Hartville and go get it. Swamp Guinea. They had good tartar sauce. That's the kind of names we got for barbecue places around here. Swamp Guinea, Booties. Well, that's a fish house, but still. Well, Swamp Guinea was a fish house too, wasn't it? Yeah. Swamp Guinea, Booties. Now for barbecue, we got Junior's Roadkill. What's the other one? Jim's Smoking Q. That one's not too bad. That's not a bad name.
Yeah, but they got on the sign.
You can. Yeah.
Little critter book.
Little critter. Which one is this one?
Little critter book.
Just a bad day.
Just a bad day.
When I woke up this morning, it was raining. I knew it was going to be a bad day.
Oh, was that dog mad?
Yeah, he's mad because it's raining, isn't he? Little critter's mad too. Look at that face. I wanted a bowl of Sugar Krispies for breakfast, but the box was empty. I had to have oatmeal instead. Yuck. He don't like oatmeal? I looked for my favorite shirt, but it was dirty. I had to wear a shirt I didn't even like. I wanted to play with my new truck, but my dad had stepped on it by accident and broken the wheel. So I decided to put my puzzle together instead. Some of the pieces were missing. This was such
a bad day.
I asked Mom if I could play in the rain, but she said,
it's too wet.
Sissy's been reading in these books, so he knows what they say. Then we played chase, but Mom made us stop because we were too noisy. So we colored in our coloring books. I got mad at my sister because she broke some of my crayons. Has Sissy or Jonah ever got mad at you because you broke some of their crayons?
Well, I broke over my crayons one time.
They broke your crayons?
No, I did.
Oh, you broke your own crayons. Okay. And my baseball game was canceled because the field was too wet. This was the worst day ever.
A bad day.
Then
Dad came home.
My dad came home. He had a surprise for me. It was a truck, just like the one he had broken. He brought my sister a surprise too. Today was just a bad day, but at least it had a happy ending. We are up very early this morning, y'all. It's just me and Titus in here making some country ham biscuits. He's got to go and help somebody haul some cows today, so he has to leave pretty early. It's a little bit after 4 o'clock now, so I think we got up at around between 3:15 and 3:30. Just putting some butter on these biscuits. The country ham is almost done. I love country ham biscuits. It's one of my favorite breakfast biscuits. It's pretty salty, so some people don't like country ham because of that, but it's good.
Got back a little cold on us, everybody. We're gonna go catch some cows.